Do you ever forget words when you try to speak English? Does your mind suddenly go blank, even though you know what to say? Don't worry, my friend. This happens to everyone. The truth is, confidence in English doesn't come from studying grammar books. It comes from using English, from hearing, repeating, and feeling the rhythm of real sentences every single day. So today, we'll practice together, slowly, calmly, and confidently. You'll repeat after me. You'll shadow my voice. And step by step, your English will start to sound more natural, like it's truly yours. Ready? Let's begin. Good morning, my friend. Let's start your day. In English. Repeat each sentence after me. Twice. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I usually eat breakfast at home. I usually eat breakfast at home. Sometimes I drink coffee before work. Sometimes I drink coffee before work. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I walk to the office when the weather is nice. I walk to the office when the weather is nice. I like to listen to music while walking. I like to listen to music while walking. I prepare my things before leaving the house. I prepare my things before leaving the house. I check my phone before I go out. I check my phone before I go out. I start my morning with a smile. I start my morning with a smile. You're doing amazing. Each repetition builds confidence. Let's move into your daily routine.
I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock. I check my emails and make a to-do list. I check my emails and make a to-do list. I study English every evening. I study English every evening. I often watch TV after dinner. I often watch TV after dinner. I go to bed around 10 o'clock. I go to bed around 10 o'clock. I work hard because I want to improve. I work hard because I want to improve. I take a short break during the day. I take a short break during the day. I practice speaking English with my friends. I practice speaking English with my friends. I make mistakes, but I keep trying. I make mistakes, but I keep trying. I feel more confident each day. I feel more confident each day. You see? Every small sentence grows your fluency. Now, let's talk about your weekends.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? I sometimes go shopping with my friends. I sometimes go shopping with my friends. I often visit my family on Sundays. I often visit my family on Sundays. We like to eat lunch together. We like to eat lunch together. I usually play football in the park. I usually play football in the park. I like
to watch movies in English. I like to watch movies in English. I often read books before I sleep. I often read books before I sleep. My favorite book is very interesting. My favorite book is very interesting. I love relaxing on weekends. I love relaxing on weekends. I try to enjoy every single day. I try to enjoy every single day. Wonderful! Your English is growing stronger with every line.
It's sunny and warm today. It's sunny and warm today. Yesterday, it was very cold. Yesterday, it was very cold. It sometimes rains in the afternoon. It sometimes rains in the afternoon. The weather changes very quickly here. The weather changes very quickly here. I forgot my umbrella at home. I forgot my umbrella at home. I need to wear a jacket. I need to wear a jacket. The sky looks very clear now. The sky looks very clear now. It's going to rain later. It's going to rain later. I love spring because of the flowers. I love spring because of the flowers. Winter is my least favorite season. Winter is my least favorite season. Let's go out to eat. In English. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. Can we go to a restaurant? I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. I want a glass of water. Do you want some tea or coffee? This soup tastes really good. Can I have the bill, please? Do you take cash or card? The food is delicious. Thank you for the meal. Perfect. Now let's go for a walk outside.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How can I get to the train station? How can I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? I'd like a return ticket, please. I'd like a return ticket, please. Does this bus go to the city center? Does this bus go to the city center? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? The traffic is very heavy today. The traffic is very heavy today. It takes 1 hour to get there. It takes 1 hour to get there. I need to buy some clothes. I need to buy some clothes. Can I try this shirt on? Can I try this shirt on? Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a bigger size? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? It's too expensive for me. It's too expensive for me. Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? This one looks really nice. This one looks really nice. I like the color of this jacket. I like the color of this jacket. I'll take it, please. I'll take it, please. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Well done. Now let's talk about health and feelings. I don't feel very well today. I don't feel very well today. I think I need some rest. I think I need some rest. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Get well soon. Get well soon. I'm studying English to get better. I'm studying English to get better. I try to learn new words every day. I try to learn new words every day. I often forget words when I speak. I often forget words when I speak. Sometimes I feel nervous in English. Sometimes I feel nervous in English. It's getting easier every day. It's getting easier every day. Step by step, I'm improving. Step by step, I'm improving. That's right. Your voice is your classroom. If it rains, we will stay at home. If it rains, we will stay at home. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. If I have time, I will call you. If I have time, I will call you. If I were rich, I would travel the world. If I were rich, I would travel the world. If I were you, I would try again. If I were you, I would try again. If I had studied harder, I would have passed. If I had studied harder, I would have passed. I was reading when the phone rang. I was reading when the phone rang. She was cooking while I was cleaning. She was cooking while I was cleaning. They were talking loudly in the park. They were talking loudly in the park. He was sleeping when I called. He was sleeping when I called. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great day. See you again soon. See you again soon. Please keep in touch. Please keep in touch. Let me know if you need help. Let me know if you need help. Talk to you tomorrow. Talk to you tomorrow. Take care, my friend. Take care, my friend. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. You've just practiced over 100 useful English sentences, twice each. That's real effort, real progress, and real growth. Remember, your fluency doesn't come from studying harder. It comes from showing up, speaking, and believing in yourself. Every time you repeat, your English becomes more confident, more natural, and more you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never forget, step by step, you're improving every single day. You're not just learning English, you're living English.